The Bad Moons is the most teethy of the orc clans. Their teeth grow so quick, even the most grotty orc of the clan can make enough nosh. Thing is, if you're well smart and bump into a Garganoth orc, he'll knock your teeth out and keep them to himself. Some bosses keep a bunch of gobby Bad Moons around for his thugs to give him more naz. Bad Moons are well good at being rip-offs and show off wearing necklaces made of teeth and having their grots carry flashy banners. I don't like Bad Moons because they're not very orky. They're like standing really far away and making crump with their snaz guns while their Gretchens do all the Dakka up close. So quick as their teeth grow in, you'd think they'd share some of their nosh around, but they're tight gits. They spend all their teeth on shiny stuff and prance around like knobs. Some of us reckon Bad Moons are what made teeth so naz in the first place, but I don't care, so long as I can knock some out to buy a new chopper. Bad Moons is well orky at telling how much stuff is worth. Even though gold is naff, Bad Moons can't get enough of the stuff, so they like ripping off orcs as much as they can get to put in their gobs. Bad Moons have loads of orky Dakka, but they're not as good at Dakka as other knobs and bosses. One time, I sees a Bad Moon carrying a big box of teeth and a shiny gold flash, only for a bad goth to gore him up proper and take all his teeth. But the orkiest Bad Moon bosses are called Flash Gits. They're well shiny and love crumping shooters. There's a few types of Bad Moons, like the Split Grins, who have lots of teeth but keep it to themselves. Still, Bad Moons can zog off because they're naff and not orky enough.